saw an old friend who vows today. He asked about you. I didn't quite know what to say. Heard you've been making the rounds round here. Well, I've been trying to make tears disappear, and now I'm almost over you. I've almost shook these blues. So when you come back around after painting the town, you see I've almost over you. You sit so slow with your cold, cold heart. Maybe leaving came easy, but it tore me apart. Time heals their wounds, they say, and I should know, 'cause it seems like forever. Now I'm letting you go, and now I'm almost over you. I've almost shook these blues. So when you come back around and after painting the town, you see I've almost over you. I can't forgive you, and soon I'll forget all my shame. The reasons, although you've left me with nothing to show for a reason. And now I'm almost over you. I've almost shook these blues. So when you come back around and after painting the town, you see I've almost over you. So when you come back around and after painting the town, you see I've almost